Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jello. In today's lesson, let's continue our discussion on how to convert one unit to another unit, and that is within and across system, specifically measuring capacity. Okay? So we have here the customary units of capacity. So ito yung mga karaniwang units for measuring capacity. So here, we have the imperial system. So that is, those are gal or gallon. So we have the symbol and word. So we have quart, QT, no? And then we have PT. Okay, so PT, which means pint. Okay. So we read this word as pint. Okay? And then we have symbol C, that is for cup. And then FL, tapos OZ. So this is fluid ounce. Okay. So we have here the capacity conversion. Okay. So i-represent natin 'yan or gumawa tayo ng ating diagram, no, para mas maintindihan natin ito. So actually ito nakita ko kay Math with Mr. J. Okay? So meron tayong isang galon. So malaking galon, yan. Okay. So here, sa malaking galon natin, so meron tayo ditong, okay, 4 na quart. Okay, so we have 4 quarts. So ating representation nun, guys. Okay. So meaning, in 1 gallon, we have 4 quarts. Okay? Naintindihan? Okay, next. And then, so we have here 1 quart. So for every 1 quart, we have 2 pints. Okay? So we have here 2 pints. Medyo lakihan natin. Ayan. We have 2 pints. For every quart, so we have 2 pints. Okay? Naintindihan? And then, for every 1 pint, so we have, very good, we have 2 cups. Okay? So, for every 1 pint, so we have 2 cups. So, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? So, therefore, ang conversion yan, for every 1 pint, meron tayong 2 cups. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. And last, so we have here, okay, for every 1 cup, meron naman tayong 8 fluid ounces. Okay? So we have 8 fluid ounces for every 1 cup. So again, credits to Math with Mr. J. So for us to fully understand this concept, mag-example tayo dito. So convert the following to the indicated unit. So convert 10 gallons to quart. Okay? So we all know that for every 1 gallon, ayan, for every 1 gallon, we have, very good, 4 quarts, right? Okay. Sa ating conversion, ito yon. So, tandaan yan. And then, syempre, na-determine na natin yung ating conversion factor. So, the next thing to do, so we have here 10 gallons. So, that is the given. So, 10 gallons times. Okay. So, para makancel out natin yung gallon, and then matitira si quart. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating numerator are 4 quarts. Okay? Divided by, of course, yung ating 1 gallon. So, tandaan nyo palagi, guys, para makancel out natin ito. Yung gallon. Okay? Isa sa numerator, isa sa denominator. And then, ang magiging sagot na natin dito ay, so, 10 times 4 quarts divided by 1. So, that is equal to, very good. So, we have 40 quarts. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. So, ito na yung sagot natin sa number 1. Gets ba? Okay. So, now, let's answer number 2. So, 7 pints to quart. Okay? So, we all know that for every 1 quart, we have 2 pints. Right? Okay. So, guys, ito yun. For every 1 quart, we have 2 pints. Naintindihan? Okay. So, now, let's convert. So, we have 7 pints times, of course, ang ating magiging conversion factor dito is 1 quart divided by 2 pints para makancel out natin si pint. Okay? Dapat isa sa numerator, isa sa denominator. So, cancel. And then, 7 times 1 equals 7. Okay? Over 2. Do not forget the unit, that is quart. Kasi, pinapakonvert sa atin yung pint to quart. Okay? So, 7 over 2, we can still simplify. So, this is equal to 3.5 quarts. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Ito na yung sagot natin sa number 2. Naintindihan? Okay? So, another example. So, we have number 3. So, 14 cups to gallon. Okay. So, guys, kung mapapansin natin, dito sa ating capacity conversion, so, wala tayong direct na conversion. So, kumbaga dito, tatawid tayo sa mga ibang conversion. I mean, we have multiple conversion factors. Okay? So, we all know that for every 1 pint, we have 2 cups, right? Okay. So, ito yun. So, therefore, so we have 14 cups times, ang ating conversion factor ay 1 pint divided by 2 cups. Okay? So, kakancel out natin yung cup, no? Okay. And then, 14 times 1 is 14 pint divided by 2. So, 14 divided by 2. That gives us 7 pint. Okay? Pero it's not yet done kasi pinapa-convert sa atin cups to gallons. Okay. So, we have now 7 pints. Okay. So, i-convert naman natin to sa, okay, sa quarts, right? Okay. So, from pint or from pints to quarts. So, ito yon class. Ayan, yung second natin. Okay, so times. Okay, very good. 1 quart divided by 2 pints. Okay? So, cancel natin yung pint. Maybe I can use another color. Ayan. Para ma-emphasize natin yon. And then, 7 times 1 equals 7 divided by 2. Do not forget the unit, that is quart. Right? Okay. So, we can still simplify. So, this is equal to 3.5 quarts. Okay? So, it's not yet done kasi dapat ma-convert natin yung 14 cups to gallons. Okay? So, meron tayong 3.5 na quarts. Ayan. Okay. So, times natin yan sa conversion factor natin. So, we have gallon to quart na. Okay. So, ito yun, class. So, ang ating conversion factor dito ay, so, from the numerator, we have 1 gallon divided by 4 quarts. Okay? So, ika-cancel out natin yon, yung quart. And, we left by 3.5 times 1. That gives us 3.5. Tama? Divided by 4. Do not forget the unit, which is gallon. Using our calculator, so i-divide natin yan, 3.5 divided by 4. So we have 0.875. Okay? Siyempre, round off natin yung sagot natin up to 2 decimal places. So, magiging 0.88 gallon. Okay? So, ganoon lang kasimple. Okay, sa number 4, kindly comment your answer. So, this is the end of our video. I hope na meron kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.